Okay, hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part in integration, part 4. Okay, previous class we have discussed basic problems. I think up to 9 we have practiced it. Okay, now I am going discussing, still we are going to discussing basic only today also, basic problems. 10th question, basic problem means which are direct question, which are by using standard formula we can solve the integration. Okay, standard formulas means integration of sin x, integration of cos x, integration of tan x, a power x, those are. Okay, integration of 2 power x plus 2 power minus x whole square dx. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, 2 power x whole square plus 2 power minus x whole square plus 2a 2 power x b 2 power minus x dx. 2 power 2x plus 2 power minus 2x plus 2 dx. A raised to x differentiation, a raised to x by log a, log 2, a power x. Understood? This is 2 power 2x, a power x by 2x differentiation is 2 log 2. Yes, 2 log 2. Or you can write 4 power x also. This is, you can, by seeing the options we can identify here. You can write like this also. This is integration of 4 power x plus 4 power minus x plus 2 dx. 4 power x integration, 4 power x by log 4. This is 4 power minus x by minus log 4 plus 2x plus c. Okay, next question number 11, integration of 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on dx. This is the form of exponential form e raised to x. E raised to x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. The whole exponential is equal to e power x. Therefore, e power x integration is e power x. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x dx. Splitting here, 1 by 2 cos square x is secant square x minus 1 by cos 2x here by 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x equal to, so it is not, wait, we can write another formula, we can change it. Simplest, 1 minus cos 2x we can write direct formula 2 sin square x by 2 cos square x. Correct? Get cancel, integration of tan square x. How can find integration of tan square x? Secant square x minus 1 dx. Secant square x integration tan x minus 1 integration x plus c. Next one, question number 13, integration of sin square x by 1 minus cos x dx. Sin square x by 1 minus cos x dx. 13th, sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x by 1 minus cos x dx. A square minus b square, a plus b 1 plus cos x, a minus b 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x dx. This get cancelled. Integration of 1x plus cos x integration sin x plus c. Right? Question number 14, integration of sin square x by 1 minus cos x. I think over it is, sorry, another one is 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Do the rationalization. You will get here 1 minus sin x whole square. Here a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus sin square x will get cos square x. Correct? Dx. Just simplify a minus b whole square and split it. 1 plus sin square x minus 2 sin x by cos square x. Can you do the further? Try yourself. 1 by cos square x secant square x, sin square x by cos square x tan square x, by sin x by cos x tan x into sec x. Can you find? Secant square x integration tan x, tan square x secant square x minus 1, and sec x into tan x integration sec x. Next, question number 15. Integration of 1 plus 2x square by x square into 1 plus x square dx. Here 1 plus 2x square, can I write like this? X square plus x square, right? X square into 1 plus x square dx. Split this part and this part. Integration of 1 plus x square by x square into 1 plus x square plus x square by x square into 1 plus x square dx. This get cancelled here, get cancelled here. 1 by x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. 1 by x square integration is minus 1 by x, right? 1 by 1 plus x square integration is tan inverse x plus c. One by x square here. Yes. Question number 15. Yes, the correct answer. Next, question number 16. Integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by sin x minus sin alpha into dx. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by sin x minus sin alpha. Make it denominator which is in the form of sin, then this is converted in terms of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Next 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by sin x minus sin alpha into dx. 1 get cancelled, 2 take common here, sin square x plus sin square alpha minus sin square x by sin x minus sin alpha dx. 2 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b get cancelled, a plus b sin alpha plus sin x dx. 2 into sin alpha integration. Sin alpha is a constant, sin alpha into x, not minus cos alpha. Sin alpha integration, because alpha is constant with respect of x, integration of sin alpha is sin alpha into x plus sin x integration is minus cos x plus c. Next, question number 17. Integration of cos x degree dx. X degree equal to pi by 180 into x radians. Cos of x degree equal to pi by 180 into x dx. Cos x integration is sin x, sin of pi by 180x by pi by 180 plus c. It comes up 180 by pi into sin of x degree plus c. Understood here? x degree, make it convert into radian. X degree equal to how many radian? Pi by 180 into x radian. (18th) just by splitting we'll get it. 19th question is integration of 1 plus x square, x whole square. So this is also easy, by x into 1 plus x square dx. Just a plus b whole square, this model. Try yourself. This is just expand and split. Next, question number 20, integration of secant square x cosec square x dx. This is 1 by cos square x and 1 by sin square x, correct? Now divide by cos square x, but it will get up now, yes. Multiply by 4 means 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Multiply by 4 numerator and denominator. 4 into integration of dx by 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x whole square means sin square 2x. So this is equal to 4 into cosec square 2x. What is the cosec square integration is minus 4 cot 2x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Yes, but one more thing is, this is answer is correct, but in the given options are different way. What are the options? You know, A option is tan x minus cot x. B option is tan x plus cot x. C option is tan x into cot x. So in terms of tan cot they given. D option is sec x into tan x. So this is also correct, but this is not there in the option. Then we have to convert into this form. To get this form, to arrive this answer, we have to do like this here. Numerator in place of 1 sin square x plus cos square x by cos square x into sin square x. Understood? This is also correct, but when the given option no, this option is not there, then you convert into this form in place of this. Splitting here, sin square x cancel, 1 by cos square x is secant square x. This get cancelled, 1 by sin square x is cosec square x dx. So secant square x integration is tan x, cosec square x integration is minus cot x plus c. Is the answer. Understood here? Next, question number 21, integration of root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here interval is given here 0 to pi by 4. X belongs to 0 to pi by 4. Integration of root of this we can write sin x plus cos x. This is sin square x plus cos square x in place of 1, 2 sin x cos x. So cos x plus sin x whole square. Here root x square equal to mod x. Root x square equal to mod x. So integration of mod of cos x plus sin x dx. We should eliminate mod because which is special function. To eliminate we need this interval. That's why they given the interval here. 0 to pi by 4 means first quadrant cos and sin both are positive, therefore the whole inside is positive. When it is positive, the mod x is x. The mod x equal to x when x is positive. When x is less than 0, minus x. So what is the answer here? Positive. Cos x plus sin x. Finish. Cos x integration is sin x. Sin x integration is minus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, right. But the same question they given the different interval. Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin 2x square root dx, but x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4. Yes, interval is changed here. Then the same approach is same procedure. This is equal to integration of mod of cos x plus sin x dx. Right? Let me verify here. Pi by 2, 3 by 4 means second coordinate. Second coordinate. What is the value of cos? Take one value here, 120. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. Sin 120 is positive. Sin 120 is 90 plus 30. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Which is big? This is. So we will get positive. Then the same will get. If it is negative, you write minus of cos x plus sin x. So which is equal to cos x plus sin x. Because which is positive here. Right? Similarly, cos x integration sin x integration minus cos x plus c. If it is above 3 pi by 4 to pi if given, 3 pi by 4 to pi if given here. Yes? Take one value here, 150 degrees. Cos 150 degrees minus root 3 by 2. Sin 150 plus 1 by 2. So this is bigger than this. So we will get negative. When it is negative, right here minus of cos x plus sin x. So this is very important for CET and JEE. This concept. Mod x. If comes no, we should eliminate. Don't cancel like this. If it is cancel, you will be lose a sign here. See, if it is 3 pi by 4 to 5, you will get wrong answer if you cancellation. The cancellation is possible when the denominator, the inside is positive, then only cancellation possible. If inside is negative, don't cancel it. Use mod x formula. Next, question number 22. Integration 1 minus root x by 1 plus 4th root of x. 4th root of x. This is rationalization. Make it rationalization 1 minus root x 1 plus 4th root x into 1 plus 4th root x 1 minus 4th root x 1 minus 4th root x. A plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared, x power 1 by 4 whole square. Multiply 1 into 1, 1 minus 4th root x, x power 1 by 4 plus minus root x, minus here, minus plus 4 root x into root x, x by into dx. Right? 1 minus x power 1 by 4 minus root x here, x, root x plus 4x. Divide by 1 minus x power 1 by 2 means root x. It's possible root x take common here. 1 minus root x. 1 minus root x. Possible to take common? Yes. No need to simplify here. Just we have done here. Just direct will be cancelled here. Same thing you write here. Then 1 minus root x into 1 minus 4th root x dx. This get cancelled. Right? 1 integration x power 1 by 4 integration x power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Finish. Simplify it is. Next, question number 23. Integration of cot square x dx by cosec square x plus cosec x. Cot square x integration, cosec square x formula minus cot square x, cosec square x, cot square x formula, cosec square x minus 1, cosec square x minus 1, right? Now denominator is cosec square x plus cosec x is there. Yes. What is the common here? Cosec x take common here. Cosec x plus 1. A square minus b square. Cosec x minus 1. Cosec x plus 1 by cosec x into cosec x plus 1 dx. This get cancelled. Spreading this by this is 1. 1 by cosec x is sin x into dx. 1 integration is x. Sin x integration is cos x plus c. Next one. Integration of sec x plus tan x by sec x minus tan x dx. Okay, sec x minus tan x. This is do the rationalization. Why? Because sec x plus tan x, by multiplying sec x plus tan x, will get secant square x minus tan square x. Secant square minus tan square x equal to 1. Rationalization here, secant x plus tan x whole square. When here we will get secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. This is equal to 1. A plus b whole square, secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 secant x into tan x dx. Secant square x integration tan x, tan square x we can write secant square x minus 1. Secant square x integration tan x minus x plus 2 sec x plus c. So answer is 2 tan x plus 2 sec x minus x plus c. 25 important. Integration cot inverse sec x minus tan x dx. Sec x minus tan x. See, sec x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. What about sec x minus tan x equal to? Sec x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Sec x minus cot x. Sec x minus tan x equal to, this is 1 by cos x, sin by cos x, 1 minus sin x by cos x. Right? I am going to prove this value, but you should remember 1 minus sin x here, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You will get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. This is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Use cos 2x formula. A minus b whole square here, a plus b into a minus b part will be cancelled. You will get here c for cos x by 2, s for sin x by 2. C minus s by c plus s will get. Then when you take c common here, 1 by s by c, 1 by s by c, which is equal to 1 minus tan of x by 2, 1 plus tan of x by 2. So which is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. This is understood. Secant x plus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. secant x minus tan x equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. But here given cot inverse in terms of cot inverse. So this is we have to convert in terms of cot. So tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, this is pi by 4 minus x by 2. So cot of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Substitute here. Then cot inverse of cot get cancelled. You will get pi by 4 plus x by 2 dx. Pi by 4 integration, pi by 4x, x by 2 integration, x square by 2, 4 plus c. Next, question number 26. Integration sin square alpha minus sin square x divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx equal to f of x plus ax plus b. They asked what is a, what is b, what is f of x. Right? This is sin square x alpha minus sin square x. This is in form of cos, this is in form of sin. So this is we can convert in terms of sin. Cos sin square alpha is equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x by cos x minus cos alpha dx. 1 get cancelled here, plus cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. This you will get c plus s into c minus s. C minus s get cancelled. So c plus cos x plus sin x dx. Cos x integration sin alpha here. Okay, cos x integration sin x, sin alpha integration, tell me, not cos alpha minus cos alpha, sin alpha into x plus c, sin alpha into x plus c, because which is constant. You can compare with that. What is f of x? Sin x. What is the a? Sin alpha. What is the b? C, constant. Okay, next question number 27. Integration of 1 plus 5x plus 10x squared plus 10x cube plus 5x power 4 plus x power 5 dx equals 1 plus x whole power p by 6 plus c. What is the p value? This is a binomial expansion. 5c0 plus 5c1x, 5c2x squared, 5c3x cube, 5c4x power 4, 5c5x power 5. So by binomial this is equal to 1 plus x whole power 5 dx. Integration of this 1 plus x whole power 6 by 6 plus c. So what is the p value? 6. P is 6. You can compare with this.